Sugar, it's kind of like your body going through withdrawal. Visuals of the narrator preparing and eating healthy meals, snacks like fruits, nuts, and lean proteins. 2. Fight those cravings. I had to change up what I ate. Instead of sugary snacks, I started eating healthier options, fruits, nuts, lean proteins, and whole grains. I found that eating more natural foods helped keep me full longer and gave me steady energy throughout the day. I also drank tons of water, which helped keep the cravings in check. By the second week, I started to feel a lot better. My energy levels went up. Instead of feeling that sugar crash in the afternoon, I noticed I had steady energy all day. I wasn't getting that tired, sluggish feeling anymore. It was like my body finally woke up, and I could think clearer, focus better, and just get more done. I was so excited to see the progress and felt even more motivated to keep going. The struggles, social situations and temptations, visuals of friends eating cake, sugary drinks at parties, and the narrator resisting temptation. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Social situations were tough. If I went out with friends or to a party, there were always sugary treats and desserts. It was hard to say no, but I stayed strong because I knew how much better I felt without sugar in my system. I learned that it's okay to treat yourself every now and then, but moderation is key. Staying motivated wasn't always easy, but I found ways to keep myself on track. I set small goals for myself, like staying sugar-free for a week, then 2 weeks, and so on. I also kept a journal to track my progress and wrote down how I felt each day. The benefits of cutting out sugar are amazing. Not only did I lose weight, but I felt less bloated, my skin cleared up, and my mood improved. I wasn't feeling those ups and downs from sugar crashes anymore, and I had more control over my cravings.